Hi and welcome to my channel. It's the 24th of June 2023, National Emergency Services Day, and today in Fareham Town Centre we had representatives from a whole host of emergency services roll up in their vehicles. For those that didn't get the chance to go and see them in person, here's the next best thing. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed seeing some of the various emergency services, both old and new, on display for National 999 Day. If you have a particular interest in old vehicles, then why not check out some of the links in the description below. Please also subscribe to see other varied topics on my channel. With your support, there will be many more to come.